Hello everybody! Today the one-wheel drive go-kart gets a Tecumseh! So this Tecumseh came off of a go-kart that we rebuilt for someone and we swapped it with a Predator. It's been sitting in the shed for a long time in all its formal glory. So my brother put a different carburetor on here, and this carburetor was from the original engine on the four-wheeler actually, and it seems to work pretty good. And with the carburetor on it, the governor is pretty much deleted on this engine, so it does rev extremely high. So this here is the stock Predator that came off of it. Now this Briggs here was the original Briggs. It actually was on that go-kart. Also the chain on this is pretty much done. Look at the condition of that chain. I literally just put this tire on here. Alright, break time. Yep, tube's done. And I don't have a spare tube, so I'm going to have to go out and buy a new one. Which kind of sucks. No wonder. Tank safety. How stupid of me.
Always make sure to check your fuel.
Pick it out of the bowl. And yes, y'all, the Predator will go back on it. And y'all, if I can get this engine running, I would definitely put that back on the go-kart just to see how it is. But for right now, I'm just not really gonna mess with it anymore. And saying that, y'all, that's like one of the perfect yard carts. The thing is with the one wheel, you know, around in the yard out here, you pretty much have to know where you can go and where you cannot go and where you have to get a run and start through. But you know, it's pretty perfect. Now this Tecumseh, if I do build a mini bike or another go-kart, we'll stick that engine on there. And I also did do a top speed run on this, and it hit 27, but I think it would hit 30, but the engine just kind of revs too high because the governor is deleted. I don't want to rev this engine too high. You know, it sounded like it was screaming at like 27. So yeah. And this go-kart here, this is a stage 3 212 racing go-kart. This is mine and my brother's go-kart. You know, we both, split the cost in order to buy the frame. It came with the engine, but the engine was stock. So we split the cost and all that. And yes, y'all, I mean, we already have a go-kart that'll go about 70 miles an hour. I mean, how fast do you want to go on a go-kart? You know, we can still change the gearing and all that. It's on the lowest gearing right now. So, yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just wanted to stick this Tecumseh on here just, I don't know, just to try it out. It's just a bit of fun playing with it. So, yeah, y'all should see me in the next one.